Imagine buying a new computer. You have hardware like CPU, RAM, and hard disk. Can you operate the hardware directly? No. Hardware only understands binary language, and we communicate differently. This is where the operating system comes in. An operating system is software that serves as an interface. It helps you manage and operate your computer systems easily. In simple terms, it manages everything in your computer, similar to a manager. The technical definition states, operating system is a software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides services for computer programs. Why do we need an OS? Consider this common scenario. You want to print a document. You press Ctrl+P but don't need to control the printer directly. The OS manages your request and handles everything behind the scenes. What does the OS do? It acts as a bridge between you, applications, and hardware. For example, user applications, Chrome, Word operating system hardware, CPU, memory, disk. The OS performs key roles. 1. Resource Manager. It manages CPU, memory, disk, and input/output devices. 2. Process Manager. It handles execution of applications and background tasks. 3. Memory Manager. It allocates and releases RAM as needed. 4. File Manager. It organizes files in folders and manages read, write, and delete tasks. 5. Security Manager. It provides passwords and protects against unauthorized access. 6. Device Manager. It manages your devices through drivers. Examples of popular operating systems include Desktop OS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux Mobile OS, Android, iOS Server OS, Ubuntu Server, Windows Server, Embedded OS, Smart TV OS, RTOS. Without an OS, you can't run applications or manage memory. Your computer would be non-functional without an interface to command it. In summary, today you learned what an OS is, why it's needed, its responsibilities, and some examples. So, try applying this knowledge as you engage with your computer. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon for updates on part 2.